We talked about the advantages of non-crystal technology in the first 2 lectures. Today we will talk about the machines that use this technology. AresLite. AresLite uses 4 fans to dissipate heat, which is better heat dissipation performance than traditional machines, so that the machine can work continuously. AresLite's neat and detailed wiring makes the machine work safer and prevents short circuits. AresLite uses TEC cooling to make the handle cooler faster and make the patient's treatment experience more comfortable. AresLite's excellent filter allows the machine to adapt to more water quality, purify the water source, and prevent the machine from poisoning. The AresLite case is made of top-quality ABS material, which makes the machine sturdy, but also makes it shining extremely, making people fall in love at first sight.